All right, back in the shop, Monday morning, feeling energized, feeling good today. Got a lot to do. Like I was telling you on Friday, I didn't get nowhere near as far last week as I wanted to. So I'm gonna jump on those heads right now. Then get over here, hang them pistons on the rods, get it up front, start assembling this bad boy because I want it out the shop either today. Well, I doubt I'll get it out the shop today, but I might get it finished today. Hopefully completely done and out tomorrow. If not, let's see here. Didn't get back up here over the weekend like I had talked about, but it's okay. It did family things. Had to get a Christmas tree, you know, let the little boy run around the Christmas lot and pick out a tree. His first tree he's ever picked out by himself kind of thing. So we did that. And then, of course, watched the football on Sunday. Got to watch the Cowboys beat the snot out the LA Rams. Finally, they played like a real team. But that's beside the point. Nothing to do with this. So I think I'm also going to change the style and format of what I'm doing as far as this vlog goes. I think I'm going to start doing a daily vlog, and like instead of trying to mash a bunch of these together to make like a full, whatever you want to call this, filmmaking vlog, whatever, I'm going to push myself. I've been listening to quite a bit of motivational videos on YouTube and telling you like how to do things and blah 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 kind of stuff, like probably all of you have, type thing. And I think I'm gonna push myself and give myself the goal of doing a daily upload. We'll see how that goes. We can get to work now. Alright, as you can see, the valves have been grinded. That happened on Friday. The seats on the heads have been cut. I just got that finished. Now, after that, I lapped them in, made sure everything was sealing up so there's no issues when they go to start the motor and there's like a loss of compression or anything like that. So everything's checked. The valves came out great. The seats came out great. The only thing left to do is get them mounted up on this machine over here, get them surfaced, and then reassemble them, and they're ready to go on the motor. Alright, well, also, I forgot to say this, but I'm a little hungry. I'm a little hungry right now, so I think I'm going to take a break at this point, eat me some lunch, and then we'll get to that process. Alright, be back in just a little bit. So yeah, made myself a little bit of homemade butternut squash soup. Pretty unhealthy soup. I used a boat ton of butter and cream, but it is very delicious this way. But I took the seeds from the butternut squash, toasted them up, threw them in here, fried up some peppered bacon, crumbled that up, put it in here. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. End of the day check-in. I got the heads done. I did not get the pistons hung on the rod. I had something on my hand there. A little bit of the little clean to get all the grease off of it and got stuck on my hand after I washed them. But I did not get the pistons hung on the rods. That is still needing to be done. But I am 100% finished with the heads. Everything assembled. They're sitting up front, ready to be mounted onto the block as soon as I get that on the engine stand. So at least I got that done. So that's something. I mean, not what I wanted, but I got something. Got something done today. So I'm tired at this point. My back hurts. I'm getting old. Let's call it a day, and I will see you tomorrow. Another vlog has come to an end, which means it's time to smash this like button right here. Click on the share button over here. Share this vlog with anybody you think might find it interesting. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought about the vlog. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell. That way there you'll get the notifications, and we will talk with you later. Whoosh!